likes the bad image of Islam which some part of extremists have been able to portray. वो इमेज इस्लाम का जो असल में नहीं है. इस्लाम तो बहुत खूबसूरत रिलीजन है. ये लोग उस रिलीजन, उस इमेज को देखने के वो करते हैं जो हमने दिखाया है. तो इस सिलसिले में ह्यूमैनिटी और पीस और लव फॉर ऑल, हेट्रेड फॉर नन के हवाले से आपने सुना. तो हाउ डू यू फील के शुड वी बी एबल टू डू दैट across the world to show that face of Islam, the true and beautiful face of Islam to the world?
As what we saw in the speech of His Holiness, that his message was quite clear, that love for all and hatred for none. And of course, when he spoke about the Quran, when he spoke about the Prophet, that the teachings of the Prophet, we should all be following that very, very precisely. And that was a general message, which was given to our, let's put it this way, to our host community. And of course, in response, we had members of the Liberal Democrats, the Labour Party, the Conservatives, and everybody, and they all came along and responded to that. Right. So this really, I feel, gave a very, very positive message of Islam, that look, Islam